seats. Please take your seats, everybody. Requesting all of you to please take your seats. Well, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Kartik Aryan brings you the Instax White Evo, which will help you make every shot a masterpiece. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let us hear it for this masterpiece, the star product of the day, Instax White Evo. Let's give it up for Instax White Evo. We are introducing a flagship Instax product in India for all of you.
So guys, taking this time, I am announcing the price. I don't think media people will give me chance to announce the price. So this product is available for pre-booking from today onwards. The product will be available from 20th of February in around the country, across the country. We will come up with a premium edition box with 20 films priced at 47,999. And we are also launching a new Instax White plus brushed metallic film at price 1299. That's it from the launch side. No more slides. Please.
Once again, requesting all of you, please be seated. Let us take this day forward. आगे बढ़ाते हैं कुछ question answers के साथ. So requesting all of you to please take your seats. Once again, requesting everybody, please be seated. Please be seated. Please take your seats. We are starting with a quick Q&A. Please be seated. Thank you. So ladies and gentlemen, once again requesting all of you, please take your seats, please be seated. We are starting with a quick Q&A. I have the questions that we have from our media persons. Alright, This for you is from Livika from Deccan Chronicle. She wants to ask you what excites you the most about Fujifilm's latest Instax launch and how do you personally relate to instant photography?
I'm good. Hello, how are you? हाँ पूछो ना सेम ही सवाल है मैं आप पे जवाब देता हूँ आपको but I think the latest launch of the flagship Instax of Instax which will provide the best possible experience to the customers. I guess for me also instant photography is about expressing myself and at times I take pictures of the most important moments of my life and paste them in my photo wall to remind me of my journey. So I guess that is something which happens with this and I'm so excited for this. So yeah.
Fantastic, you're right. So the next question is from Pratmesh from Bombay Times and he wants to ask you...
वो तो यहाँ पे ये रहा सामने.
Alright, so I'm just putting his question to you. In today's digital age, what do you think makes instant cameras like Instax a must-have for the youth?
Sorry, once again?
In today's digital age, what do you think makes instant cameras like Instax a must-have for the youth?
I think it's a super product. I mean, superior product with a USP associated with the nostalgia of printing pictures. I think हम सबको photos का एक हमेशा एक nostalgia आता है जब हमारे हाथ में वो photos होती हैं. And you know, I think Instax has that quality and it relates. मतलब मैं बहुत relate कर पाता हूँ उस चीज से. Sorry sir, I'm speaking in Hindi. But okay, you understand Hindi? थोड़ा. So I'll try my best. My English is not so good. Okay. No, so it's all about nostalgia, and I think it's a relatability factor when it comes to photographs in your hands, and I feel in today's digital age, when you have a camera which can provide you with such tremendous quality of photos and it's like there are features where I can just click photographs on my phone also or my memory. I can just transfer it to Instax camera, this camera, and they can print it out. So what better than this? I mean, sometimes you always feel like having those photographs in your hands or maybe wall पे कभी घर पे अपने चिपका के रखना your fond memories. And I think this provides that. So I think, yeah, I love this about it, and I think the youth will really connect to it, and that's why it's a must-have for the youth.
You know, you being a youth sensation, this actually acts as a statement to all the youth, isn't it? Alright, so moving on to the next question. So next question is for Mr. Arun Babu. So this question is from Dinesh from INS. What makes this latest Instax offering unique compared to previous models and how does it enhance the instant photography experience?
So answer to this is, in my presentation also I said that it's a flagship model for Instax as a category, and anybody who will go for this product, it has so many features in it that he will take a year to explore those features also. As I said that you can click 100,000 and more expressions. That means you can use the lens effect, you can use the film effect, you can use the film style, you have the wide angle mode, then you have lots of features, degree control. So if you use all of them, maybe you can have so many images and you can become a photographer per se with this kind of camera. So that's why the tagline also says, right, make every frame a masterpiece.
Absolutely, and we are so glad that we're going to have it in our hands very shortly. Thank you. Now, the next question is from Mohammed from ANI, again to you, Arun sir. How has the Instax range evolved in India, and what kind of response have you seen from the younger audience?
So, as I said this earlier also, that it's a product targeted towards young Gen Zs and millennials, and that's the reason why Karthik is also a brand ambassador. But over the period of last 3 years, we have been growing tremendously. Almost every year we are growing by 50%. And that's thanks to the youth and Gen Z of India. India predominantly is a very young population, and hence the target audience is also matching with the Instax theme or Instax message. And with this kind of a product evolving with new AR technologies, augmented reality, a lot of different features, actually, in general sense, people feel it's an analog product. The film comes out of the camera, but it's not like that. Our films also speak. You can record your voice, you have a QR code, with the QR code your image will speak. You can do a lot of doodles, so it's a trendy product. Keeping in mind the young and Gen Z audience, we are exploring more and more features in this category.
Thank you, sir. Moving on to the next question. The next question is for you, Karthik. From Sameer Movie Talkies, he want to ask you, you have been associated with Instax for a while now. So how has your journey with the brand evolved?
I think being Instax, I mean Fujifilm, for example, has a huge recall when it comes to our generation. I'm sure all of us would have used their film rolls. So the discussion with Instax, a team that is revolving around printed films was very nostalgic again for me. And basic brief to connect with the young generation so that they are able to relish or cherish their tangible memories. I think that is something which I also connected to. So I think this association, I'm really happy and excited to be a part of this family, of the Instax Fujifilm family. Because again, बचपन से मैं भी मतलब Fujifilm के role और ये सब इनसे photo खींचना या देखना, you have those memories are वो एकदम एक print हो जाते हैं ना, तो वो memories की value एक अलग होती है. So I think आजकल फोन के ज़माने में हम लोग बार इतनी सारी फोटोज खींचते हैं, उसमें से पता भी नहीं चलता कि वो फोटोज कब तक बस सेव्ड रह जाती हैं, लेकिन कुछ यूजेज नहीं होता उन फोटोज का. But with this, I think we always associate our best memories, and I guess that is what I love about Fujifilm. That is what I love about Instax. So that's what.
So we as a family at Instax are also so glad and happy and excited to have you with us, isn't it? Isn't it so? Alright, so the final question, Karthik, to you. From Sandesh from Filmy Mantra. If you had to describe this new Instax launch in just 4 words, what would it be?
Make every shot a masterpiece. And that's the tagline.
Thank you so much. Thank you for being here and answering all the questions that we had. Thank you so much. And that's all for now, ladies and gentlemen. Let us all put our hands together and make a cheer for Karthik Aryan. Come on, people!